Hey, greetings from Las Vegas. More specifically, the Bellagio Resort and Casino. And I thought it'd be fun to show you guys a day in the life of the Bellagio Hotel. And we'll go ahead and start off the video by showing you a room tour of our room here at the Bellagio. Okay, this is our room here in the Bellagio. And let me go ahead and show you the main area here. We have a very big king-size bed. Very nice. And a couple nice chairs. And we have a desk over here. And then we have the TV, flat screen TV. Also we have some chocolates, nuts, and water for purchase. There you go, for your convenience. What do we got in here? That is the mini bar. And I believe if you touch any of those things, they will charge you, so don't touch it. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, so I'll give you a notice. All right. So this is our room that we'll be staying in, Bellagio. Very nice, very modern, clean. All right, let me go ahead and show you the bathroom. Going this way. All right, so we have a big standing shower here as we walk in to the left. And then we have our toilet here, and then we have our mirror. And then they have a tub over here. This is it. And here is our view from the room. And we get the view of the mountains. And we have the Rio over there. So we're on the opposite side of the strip. So this is the freeway. Okay, that was our room. Really nice room, a nice comfortable bed to sleep in. It was really clean and modern. And yeah, it's a really perfect room for us to stay here at the Bellagio. Actually, one thing nice about the Bellagio here, they have actually check-in and check-out kiosks. So you don't have to go through the entire line process. So you can go ahead and check out here, the kiosk, drop off your key, and also over here, you can go ahead and check in. It's really convenient. Also, one thing amazing about the lobby here in the Bellagio is you have this wonderful art piece on the ceiling. I believe it's a lot of glass that's blown and colored. I like the entire ceiling of the lobby area here. Let's check in. Really cool. Another attraction here is the chocolate fountain, and it's a three-tiered chocolate just pouring down, a white and dark chocolate. So come check out the chocolate fountain here at the bakery. Also, they provide you crepes in the morning. It's so you can have breakfast here. You can have a breakfast crepe. Also, they provide you gelato if you want a sweet treat. So now it's time to go check out the conservatory. It's a Lion King theme, so it's pretty cool. So check this out. So one thing nice about the Bellagio is they always change out the conservatory to a different theme, and this time that we came here was the Lion King. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you do come to the Bellagio, make sure to stop by the conservatory and check it out. What do you guys think of the pool area? It's pretty cool. Also, we didn't get a chance to go swimming, but at the same time, we got a chance to walk around and get video for you guys to see what the pool area looks like. Really family friendly. Also has areas of more shallow pools, has one pool with a fountain in it, and areas where the adults can go as well. So there are multiple pools. So it's a great opportunity for you to come and check out the pool area should you stay at the Bellagio. Now we're going to show you the video of the fountain at nighttime, and I think that's the coolest time to see the fountain of the Bellagio. The fountain show happens every half an hour, so we got an opportunity to see two different shows at night. So I'm going to give you a perspective of the front and as well as a side view of the fountains.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like.
What do you guys think of the fountain show? That was pretty amazing, right? And it was a lot of fun to watch. It's one of the main attractions here at the Bellagio, and I encourage you guys, even if you're not staying at the Bellagio, stop by and check out the fountain at nighttime. It's a really amazing sight to see. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoyed the episode here at the Bellagio. If you stayed here before, I'd love to hear your feedback, what your thoughts of the Bellagio are. This is our first time here, so it was a lot of fun. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big like. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. We're here for 7 days in Las Vegas, so we'll be showing you other hotels as well that we stay at, as well as some entertainment and attractions and some of the foods that we eat. I always appreciate your support, and I'll see you back in the next episode. Bye.